Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Leos. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys, Leos. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Page of Pentacles, Three of Cups in reverse, and Nine of Pentacles. So in your circumstances, Leos, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship, you are someone who is a really talented person, skilled, and you are really curious about certain things. You are a great learner. Maybe whatever you find, maybe something interests you, you want to learn that immediately. And you are a very talented person and dedicated, and you are always ready to take up anything, maybe responsible in your work. So whatever you do it with dedication, guys, and that may be the reason you are happy about certain things today, feeling content, satisfied the way things are going in your life today. For some of you guys, Leos, you are also getting some positive news, some kind of a good news maybe for some of you. So it may be a good news in your work or it may be a good news in your relationship, guys. So maybe with this person you love, you were expecting certain things from them, maybe an answer for whatever you asked. Maybe you were interested in marriage, you proposed to them, maybe they are supposed to give you their answer. For some of you, they are coming with the positive news, happy news today, guys. So this person may accept your proposal and you are happy for that. Or maybe for some of you, you may have some argument, something may not be right in your connection. Maybe you had a lot of misunderstandings between you both. But today, with these cards, I see that you are moving towards a reconciliation, guys. This person wants to say sorry and they want to reconcile to you. So they have realized their mistake, Leos. That is what I see. So this may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have High Priestess in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe today with this person you have a better understanding and this connection is moving towards a more taking a deeper turn, maybe moving towards more intimate relationship, and you are happy with the way things are going. Maybe the arguments or the stressful circumstances, whatever was there, has actually deepened this relationship, has helped you understand each other better, and you are here with a more positive and a more happy relationship, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So for your career situation, guys, Leos, we have 10 of Cups in reverse. So, in your career, maybe for some of you, all that you expected may get delayed, guys. There may be some delays or uh, some suspensions in your work situation. Something may not go as planned in that expected timeline. So, that is what I see with these cards, Leos, for your general energies today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, Leos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, we have a beautiful card, Let Love Transform. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, in your relationship, maybe if you are already in a connection, this love is going to change you and you are going to move into a deeper, more intimate connection with this person, and you are really blessed, and it is a blessing coming towards you for your relationship, guys. So things are going to go in such a way, it may look like a gift, something which you never expected in your circumstances, guys. And also for those who are single, you will find someone you love, and this person and yourself, you are going to have a very positive, meaningful connection. And maybe you if you are already in a connection or if you are finding someone new, it is all going to happen at the right time, guys. So maybe something may not fulfill your expectation, may not stick to the timeline you expect, but things are happening and there are positive changes in this relationship or some good things coming towards you, but it may not be a moment earlier or a moment later, but at the right time. So at the divine appropriate timing, this love will find you and you are simply going to be so happy and pleased. So you need not worry, guys. You need not have anxiety or any kind of worry thinking about what is happening in this relationship, whether it will be the one you expect, whether it will be the one that pleases you. So you need not worry about all that. So at the divine appropriate timing, this love is finding you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Black Tourmaline. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, it just means that in any relationship, guys, if you want to be in a very positive connection, you must have your own boundaries. So the time you need to be free, the time you need to be with yourself to do what you love to do. So this card is for shielding and protection in any relationship. So maybe with this person you love, you may simply yearn to be with them all the time, guys. So, this person may be your soulmate or your twin flame, and you may have a great connection with them, but you need some time away from them, maybe just to realize how much you love them and how much you love when you get back to them. So, maybe taking time off from your love with your friends, maybe spending some time with your friends or your family. It's just going to rejuvenate this relationship you both have, and you will know that, but it should be something that is happening naturally, guys. You should not force it. You should not try to forcefully stay away from this person. Maybe if you love to be with them, that is what you should do. But if you want to be with yourself, maybe take some time for yourself, maybe do the things you love to do alone. You should go for it. It is simply going to help you. It is simply going to strengthen this connection you have with this person. It is going to make you more relaxed, and that is the thing that is going to make your relationship more nurturing and fulfilling, and it is going to strengthen this connection you both have, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you should not be afraid to build healthy boundaries in any relationship. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.